If you're studying IGCSE Business Studies, you've probably been told by your teacher the bad news, yes, you need to learn all of the definitions, and there's a lot of them. In the comments section below this video, I've created a little AI app to help you out with this. You should see it on the screen. Follow the link. You can ask it, it's programmed in with your specific Cambridge 2024 syllabus. You can ask it to give you all the definitions you need to know per unit or all of them. You can get it to play multi-choice questions with you, or you can get it to give you full exam questions. It's going to correct those. If you don't understand any of the different definitions, it will even explain them to you. Lot to play around with. If you find this useful and you want more videos, follow. I'll be producing more about IGCSE Business Studies. And if you've got any specific requests or anything you want help with explaining, put it in the comment section and I'll try and help.